Let's go. Hello, mate. God, Jesus Christ, Nightbot. Can you, like, turn it in? How you doing, dude? Can you hear me? Yeah, you can hear me. I can see that you can hear me. Is this going to work? That one? That's not working. Okay. Right, okay, so that needs to go there. Nope. There we go. New setup. So I've got a monitor here now. That's the second PC. That's the, what's the name monitor? It's my other monitor. Just need to get this set up so I can see the chat. I'm good, thanks, man. How was the old KDE-ish thing? Okay. So I've got this. Oh, you can't really see it, can you? Oh, actually. Boom. Yeah, I've got this anchor thing there, look. So I can put my phone on it. You can see how the stream is. And it's a charging one. Hey, let's go. Good, going good actually. Smitty said my stream quality was the best it's been so far. Nice. Oh, that is cool. That is very cool. Nice cat. It's not bad, is it? I mean, I can turn the light up as well. Make it a little bit brighter, I suppose. Can make it white. Motown, a bit blue. I do like Tokyo though. There's one called Soho. No, I quite like Tokyo. And you can press play. And it sort of cycles between all of the colours. It's pretty cool. There's a light just behind there. There's a light up here shining down. Pretty cool. I've even got it set up now, so you can see this is OBS, but this is OBS on my Mac. So if I right click on that and go open projector view, that's my second PC. And if I do that, basically you're now looking at my, so this is the other mouse. It's the second PC, that. That's PC2. I mean, it's not perfect. It's a little bit laggy, but it works. That's what this keyboard's for. So yeah, and escape that and go back to there. Oh, you can't even see it. Damn it. After all that, I've just shown you everything. Oh dear, right, hang on. Let's fix this. Right, so if we go like that. And then we'll go to that one. There we go. Right, so I can still see what's going on in the camera because I've got it up on my second screen. But if I go to here, so this is OBS, but it's on my Mac. So now if I right click on there and go open projector view, it basically makes, so over here, this is my first mouse, second keyboard. That's on there. As you can see, it's a little bit laggy. But what that's doing essentially is the second PC is going into the capture card, and the capture card's going into the Mac Mini, and then I'm using Parsec to connect to the Mac Mini to get to the to get to the second PC. But as you can see, it's a little bit laggy. I mean, but I've got a monitor, so for me it's like perfectly smooth. But obviously, because it's going through the network, it's a little bit laggy. So yeah, I'm the one that found out. I've got the buttons for it and everything. Right, what we can do though is we can get rid of this one now. And we can just take that and go to there. I'll put that over there. What we got here, so we want to get rid of that one. How do we close? So we want to close this project. Remove from project. We want to close that off. Close that off. Can you clear that? Is there a clear thing? Cleared. Right, okay. Actually, we're going to switch over to... how do we change it? To this one. I want to change it to add context, default. How do I change it again? I want to change it to I should just close it and open it again. There we go. Spinny in the house. Let's go. I got one. Smitty, I got one delivered today. You see it? Is it going to charge? It's thinking about charging. There we go. That's charging. Hey. Did you see it? Ta-da. Right, I'm going to take this off now though, because it gets in the way. Got a wireless stand-up. Yep, wireless stand-up charger now. Thank you for the idea. Appreciate you. Very cool. Very cool indeed. Right. What's going to work on today? LGL Power Profile. That's what we were going to do. So we're going to go to Dev, Projects, Power Profile Manager, Open. And then we're going to go to here and change that one to Claude. What version are we on now? So we're on version... I need unlimited power. Actually, what we are going to do... I'm going to go to GitHub. Have I even logged into GitHub on here yet? I don't think I have I? We are going to
release the window from tiling hell.
Sign in. Lunchtime, no worries. Enjoy. Love the audio. Right. Yeah, that works great. Now we did have so actually let's put that back. Oh, I don't want to do that. I'll go to my repositories. Thank you. Right, we are going to work on this one. When was the last? 2 months ago. What issues have we got? We've got 2 issues. Doesn't minimize to tray, and we need to add a PNG file. Have I got the PNG file already then? I think I might have. Maybe not. Oh, it's there, look, PNG. Might actually make one. I don't know if I like that one or not. It's not quite aligned with the... Oh, I know. No. So actually, I got sent one, but... Hey, DexMexTex, how you doing? Welcome on in. Good to see you. I think what we'll do is we'll build out... so if we go to... where should we go? Let's go to Vecteezy. And then just do a search for power. PNG power. Oops, no, hang on. PNG power. Maybe that one. That one might work. No, we want to go to there, go open, and then we can drag that into Linux Gamer Live, do that. And then we can close that one off, and then we can delete that one. Actually, no, we'll keep that one for, oh no, I should do that. Control C. Okay, so in Linux Gamer Live, we want to do created, that one there. We go X, Control X, we'll go back here. We're going to go like that, and we're going to go overwrite. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. So we're going to exit out of that one. And then actually we're going to take that and copy it to there. We're going to go into my Mac, and then we're going to open up that, pop it in there. Don't like it. It looks shit. The yellow clashes, doesn't it? Maybe we could do the green. The green might work. How's it going, Dex? That one might work. Power. That one maybe. Go green. That one might work. Let's just grab some. Nope. Drop that into there. Move there. Yeah, nice. Should we try the green arrow? Oh, actually, that one might. No, I don't know. Try the green arrow. Arrow? That one. Let's download that. Move that into there. Enormous Chunks. Hello, welcome on in. Good to see you again. Eugene, welcome back. Good to see you also. Sandwich made and ready to be destroyed. What sandwich did you have? Did you go for? Girl power? No. I quite like that, but that's too. I don't know. Maybe that works. No. Because it's not battery power. Mooey, hello. So that's far too AI. I need to get rid of the AI ones because we can tell they're AI, can't we? Let's just close that for a minute. We'll just move. Oh, no, we don't want to move that actually. We want to drag that across. No, we want to drag that across like that. And then we're going to go up to the top and we're going to say, please, no AI. Thank you. Oh. It has 2 pieces of bread and he wishes he had meat. Turkey and white cheddar on a Kaiser roll with Doritos and a Pepsi. Oh, nice, dude. I just had McDonald's. I had a McDonald's for a while. That one might work. Let's try that one. Right, let's just try a couple now. Right, okay, first. Let's try. Oh, god damn it. I keep forgetting that I can't do that in Right. Grab that, pop that in here. Nah. I mean, nah, don't like it. What about that one? Actually, that's not bad, is it? We put a bit of a shade on it. Drop shadow rather. That might work. Oh, where did the chat go? Bring the chat back. There we go. Is the audio low? Oh, it might be actually. Oh no, it should be right. It needs to match these ones down here, dude. So can you see the ones down the bottom? Actually, I do need to redo that one, but it's got to match those. It's always on the lower side. What do you mean? Wait, what? Shouldn't be. Unless you mean the music, then yeah, maybe. Can't see them. There you go. Perfect now. Excellent. I tried Noctalia 5 today. It is so much different than how it was with the quick shell. You think? No worries, Marie. Got plenty of others to keep me company if you're busy. So you do what you got to do. I think that might work. Let's try the other one first. Let's just hide that for a sec. We'll try the other one because there was one more that we. This one here, wasn't it? So what do you reckon? That one or that one? That one or that one? 1, 2. 1, 2. Got it. There you go. File, export PNG. LGL Power Profile Manager. Overwrite. Yes, please. And then we go back up to here. We can close that off now. And then we can grab it from here. Go cut, paste, overwrite. Okay, that's cool. So we got that. And then we're going to go back to, we can close that one off. Okay. Now we need to go feddev. And then we're going to go clear. Right. Interface. Yeah, no, we're just making some icons. An icon for one of my tools that I'm working on today. I have got a second computer on today. Yeah, that's this one over here. That one is on. Actually, I'm using 3 because that's my Mac. And then this one here is my second PC. Oh, that's not going to work. I need to use this mouse. And then this keyboard. And then need to type on it. Ah! So that's that one. Yeah, I'm not really that. I built this today. I finally put the hard drive back in. Built it today. Right, okay, so what do we need to do? So we've got those issues, do that, go, two things to work on, need to fix the issues here. also need to use the updated icon PNG, which will need to be resized. Plan. Is the plan? No, no, it's not that enormous chunks. I'm not going to do dual PC streaming because I like the highest quality of stream to reach your eyeballs. And if I oh, hang on. If I use my capture card to stream, then you're only going to get 1080p, and it doesn't look great. We can do that one. What I do need to do though is open up GitHub here, GitHub desktop, and then we want to go, we've only got 2 there at the moment, so we want to add a repository, clone a repository. We're going to clone power. Excellent. And then we're just going to move that one to there. Come on, Claude, you got this. Yeah, because a couple of things with the power profile, when I minimize it, it just disappears. It needs to minimize into the tray. And this is interesting as well. So I've got, so rather than the video, oh yeah, here, Don, the video isn't going through OBS. The video is going through VLC. And then I'm basically sharing the VLC screen in OBS. So then I can grab that, stick it on the different monitor, and see what you guys are seeing all the time. Works quite well. Right, okay. So yeah, okay. How do I close that? Yes, it is the one in the project, but it is a new one that I have overwritten. I was having issues getting, because what I wanted to do is I wanted to have the camera and the capture card through OBS, and they just kept fighting each other. I couldn't get them to work together. So I looked at other options, and VLC's got a device show thing. I can't remember what it's called. What's it called? Media open capture device. So I just did that instead. Works quite well. What I am going to do though, I think I need to remove this build folder, don't I? Can I make that? Can I make that any bigger? Maybe not. Yeah, it works really well. Why are you making a new folder? Make directory, but build. Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, no, reject. Okay, build instructions. I don't need to do any of that because we are in a dev environment. So hang on, ls. Right, so that's built, and we'll go build. Oh, it's actually made the little icon there, look. Oh, let's go. But we don't want it on that one, we want it on power safe for now. You can't see, can you? Cool. So we're on power safe, and then we can quit out of that. It stays there. Let's go. We fixed it. We fixed it. Nice. Excellent. Okay, so that's that fixed. Let's just move that to there for the minute. And what we'll do is we'll move you over to here. And then we're going to go back to there. Right, we need to prep it for actually what I'm going to do, I'm going to exit that though. Quit. There we go. That's cool. Cool. Need to so we now need to prep this build for COPR. I will use SCM. So I will need a spec file and all docs updated. Whilst it's doing that, we'll go over to here. Let's see if I've logged into COPR yet, which I don't think I have on Zen. So what I'm going to do is
Release the window from Tiling Hill.
I better do it then, don't I? We'll stick this over here so I can log in. I can never remember which login it is. Have I got a one-time pass for this? I think I have, haven't I? There it is. Please work. Hey Andy, how you doing? Welcome on in. Good to see you. Sorry for typing. That's all right. No worries. How are you doing today? What have you been up to? Having trouble logging into Fedora? Right, okay, that's fine. Authentication failure. So we need to do one-time password again. Which is... Come on. Might not be able to do the COPR today. Yay, we're in. We're in. We made it. Okay, so we need to make a new project. I can't type for shit. I've got fat fingers and no aim. Right, so it's LGL Power Profile Manager. We're going to go back to here. So there for a minute. We're going to go to README. Go for the README. Excellent, it's done that all for me, so that's that. Copy that and we'll stick that into there. Instructions, we don't need all of that, we just need it from there, I think. Copy, pop that in there. We're going to go for 43. No, we don't want 42 because that's coming to end of life soon. 43, 44. Should we try? We're going to try it on We're going to try it on Rawhide. Create. Okay, so we've got the new build ready. Excellent. So that's yeah, that's perfect. Just added one more year today. Nice. Happy birthday, dude. That deserves a round of applause. What project are you working on? Happy birthday, the first anniversary of my Arch Linux ISO. Nice. Let's go. 60. Oh my God. Damn, you're old, dude. I thought I was old. Damn. Oh, when I grow up, I want to be like you, Eugene. Still in spring chicken. Damn. What projects? Oh yeah, so I've got a little tool that I've made called it's a Power Profile Manager. And I built it quite a long time ago, but I've never actually finished it. So I wanted to finish it today. 37, jeez. Kids these days, I know, right? That's so funny. Right, so now I've done all of that. I need to bring that back into the fold, don't I? So I'll click on that and do that. There we go. Right, so I need. Why is it not put it in the package? Where's the spec file? Did it make a spec file? It did. There's a spec file. Okay, cool. How have I done it before with other projects? I think what I've done is I've put it into modified, put it into like so packaging. Yeah, so move icon. And spec. What else goes in there? Packaging. Desktop. Packaging. Make sure you create the icons for icons different icon sizes. Check that for reference. "37-year-old brat." I will give the link in just a minute or hour. What? Wait, what? For what? You can't share links, dude. What you want to share? I'm not really in the game of just trying out random distros. It's normally a membership thing. But if I hit it randomly on DistroWatch, then yeah, I'll try it. And I am going to do some spin the wheel.
Spin the wheel. Hold your breath. Luck decides what distro's next.
So I'm going to resize. Yeah, we can do that. Resize the actual images. I do quite like Magic Convert, actually. So basically what it's doing is resizing all the images and putting them in the right place. So if I go back to here and go into here, you should see all the icons in there now. Very cool. Where has it put the spec file? Now see it's a point. Okay, yeah. Okay, so it's doing all that. Nice. Everything's matching. I don't know if you can quite see that, can you? Let's move that over to here like this. We do that and then go. Right, the build is inside a Distrobox, which has all the tools. You can run it in there. But it's called OrangeOS, by the way, but it is not finished. Oh, okay. Smitty, man, severe weather watch for me already. For me, already one tornado earlier, about 10. Oh, dude, do take care. So I'm getting Claude to enter my Distrobox. Hey, let's go. Launch. Power profile, yeah. Okay, so that's all. Power save. Status, power save running. Let's close it. Go into here. It even tells me with a little note that it's running in the background. We can exit that now. Quick, excellent. That's working perfectly. Right, let's make sure the specs in there. Everything. Okay, brilliant. Complete one more pass on the source. Source ensuring everything is up to date, including readme/change log. So what's everyone up to today? Apart from sitting here watching me. I don't even know you can see it. I suppose if you're on a mobile, you're not going to see this, are you? But you might see it if you're on a PC. Oh, thank you very much to whoever that was that just subbed. Appreciate you. Pop in, say hi if it was you. So we're on version 1.1. Right, no, we're not on version 1 at all, are we? That can't be right because I haven't released it yet. Add in PNG file. That's done. That's done. Well, I didn't use that PNG. Sorry, Velocity. I didn't use that one. Because it would have clashed with the yellow cog that I'm using now. So I'm going to close issue. And then that one is fixed. And what version are we on? Not much, man. Working on setting up this KDE build. Nice. So where is README here? Change log. Okay, no, okay, we'll do that then. I released it as a 1, so let's do it. Right, so what we need to do now is we're going to take everything that we've put together in here, except the... this is why I like Dolphin. Look at that. I love it. It's so cool. So in this one, we are going to go to documents. So where's documents gone? Need to pin that to add to places. We'll stick that underneath downloads. So in here, we're going to have documents, GitHub, Power Profile Manager, and then we're just going to drag all of that in except for build and Power Profile Manager. And that should overwrite all of that. Actually, do I need that? I don't need that, do I? Yeah, I do need that. Wait, what? What is that? Okay. Well, we'll just look at... Oh, damn it. I keep pressing the wrong button. Never thought I'd say these words again. Can anyone see my chat? Yes, MD, I can see your chat, dude. I am modify Cronkite and Noctalia to work with KDE to my liking. So I'm too lazy to configure window manager. KDE works great for me. Nice. Finally tested Niri Noctalia myself on a test PC. Nice. Oh, finally. Okay, nice. It's glitching when I send a link. Yeah, you can't send links. I said that already, dude. If you are, how? And please don't send links in my chat. Okay, no, you can't see it. Cool. Pop that out, and then we're releasing that one from... I'll stop you over there. There we go. Where are we going? Oh, it's here. We're here. No, you can't share links in the chat, dude. It's a link to a distro that he's working on. which I've already said I'm not really interested in looking at. It's not the sort of thing I'd do, unless you remember. I might. No. Right, where was I? It was over here. So we've dropped that round there. So we need to grab that one. Don't need that one. None of these have changed. So we're going to take them and pop them into here, and we're going to go copy. We're going to go apply to all, overwrite. So then when we go back to GitHub, it's going to say, oh, you made all these changes. And then we're going to call it version 1.1 release. Fixed. What did we fix? We fixed the minimise-to-tray and added LGL icon. I'm going to commit that to main, push to origin. Now we've done that, we can go back into here. Linux Game Life, do you have a liquid cooler or an air? I may have found a deal on a 7800 X3D. So I have the 5700 X3D and I'm using the Noctalia air cooler, so fan one. It's a low profile Noctalia, low profile Noctua. Right, so that's done now. So then what we can do is we move this over here. We can go create a release, and we're going to call. Let me just check the Noctua is really good at. I mean, I'm down at 40 now. Normally streaming, I'm up at like 50, 60, and then when I'm gaming, it goes up to 80. I'm just like chilling at 40 at the minute. It's lovely. Hey Ortiz, how you doing? Welcome on in. Right, so we are doing, let me just find the readme. The readme's there, and we're doing, it's changelog actually we need, isn't it? Changelog. Version 1.1, there we go. So over here, we're going to go LGL, Power Profile Manager. Version 1.1.0 and then this release is let's go back to the changelog, which is here, and we'll go back to the top, fixed, changed, do that, fixed and changed, copy, boom, and then we're going to go tag. I'm going to give it a version 1.1.0, create a new tag, create, going to publish it, boom. Excellent, so that's now created the source code. So then we go back to, where is it? I've got to get used to using vertical. Yeah, vertical tabs. Right, so let's see if this build works. So we're going to go create a new build. Submit a new bit. Oh damn it! I'm going to have to type it all in now, aren't I? That's fine because we can go back to here, and then we can go like that and do that. And then that's that one. Yep. And then we want to go subdirectory is packaging, I think. Packaging. And the spec file is called we're going to do rpkg. That's fine. That's fine. Let's just double check. So GitHub, Profile Manager, subdirectory is packaging, spec files in there. CH roots are going to be 43 and 44 Fedora. Build. Wish us luck. Wish us luck. Oh, good thing is I've got the other PC set up so we can test it on there. I do fancy some gaming though. Don't know what though. Yes. Well, I've already made it. I'm now publishing it basically. I've not published it because I've been meaning to fix it. Because when you minimize it, it didn't go to the tray. So I've fixed that now. So I'm just building it. Hopefully, it's running. Good, it's running. And then what we'll do is we'll install it on my main machine because I don't have it installed at the moment. And then I'll run it on my second PC. Don, what are you doing? How dare you? I can see you. Don't think I can't see you. I can see you. I can see exactly what you're doing right now. Playing Firelight 84 without me. Phew. I suppose you do need to catch up though, don't you? I'm testing something. Yeah. Testing how quickly you can catch up. How's the stream looking anyway? Yeah, it doesn't look too bad, does it? Come on, have you done it? Succeeded. Let's go. 400 for the 7800 X3D and 32. Damn, dude, that's. Whoa. $400. Oh my god, that seems too good to be. Be careful there, dude, Smitty. Be careful. What are you talking about, MD? Right, so we're going to go sudo dnf COPR enable Linux gamer life / LGL Power Profile Manager. And we're going to go sudo dnf install yes. Excellent. And then we'll just go LGL. Oh, it hasn't done the icon. I mean, it's a pretty cool icon. I'll test it all first. Some guy will be defaulting it on Monday to the pawn shop unless you bring... Oh, I see. Okay. Oh, you're so lucky, dude. Work in that kind of environment. Right, that's wrong. There's something wrong there. That's an old build. Damn it, that's the old build. How have I managed to do that? Because this is the new build here, which works fine. Yeah, so that's the new build. How the hell have I managed to upload the old build? I'm not testing it, dude, so yeah. I don't think anyone else is testing it either. It's used, it has 3070 in it, but my buddy will be taking that. No NVMEs though. Case is a little beat up and crappy PSU, but don't care. No, that's it. Rip those bits out. Damn, dude. Do a full pass on the build. On the build to well, I'm just going to get it to do a full pass. I don't think the Black Don's testing it either, MD. Black Don's working on KDE stuff. Control minus. Okay, so that's all passed. All clean. Right, okay. So this is the GitHub. Right, okay. No, cancel. F5. Right, so we're going to go packaging, main window. We might have to make this a I don't understand why it's not. Issues. So we go back to there. Yeah, see, that's the old. Oh, that's fine. So we go packaging, icons. So that's working fine. So it's done all that fine. Ooh. King Claw Blazer in the house. Hello, dude. How are you doing? It's been a minute. Good to see you, man. Welcome back. I've not been doing all the fireworks tonight, have I? I'm forgetting all the fireworks. How's it going, man? Version bump to 1.1.1 as I need to rebuild on COPR as it seems to be still as it's still can't type today, still seems to be the old version. Hello, I'm good, just been busy with work and life. No worries, dude. Well, I'm glad you've got a chance to breathe, and I'm very, very pleased that with your chance to breathe, you've decided to pop in and say hi. Feeling special. Still rebuilding it though. I don't really want it to build, but okay. Change lot everything. Okay, perfect. Okay, so let's get this committed so we can see what it's changed. It's changed that. Don't need any of those. So we're going to grab those, stick them into there. Go copy there. And then we're going to go apply to all, right into, apply to all, overwrite. And we're going to go back to here and say version bump. And then we're going to go so sudo dnf remove LGL Power Profile Manager. Okay, cool. Push. Maybe I didn't push it. That was the problem. No, I did push it because all the stuff was there, wasn't it? Go releases. Draft a new release. Version 1.1.1. Version bump for COPR. Select tag. Version 1.1.1. Create new tag. Create. Publish. Okay. Go back to here. Go going to delete that build. Submit a new build. So what's new with you? Not a lot. I'm just working on a Power Profile Manager that I put together a couple of months back, but I've not finished it. Why is this not auto-filling for me? Damn it. Come back, Firefox, all is forgiven. Packaging, make sure that's right. And then that is spec file. Right, before we do that, can you check the spec file and the spec and XML and ensure the icon are set up properly. Properly. The birth of a new version. Yeah. In fact, I went back and watched Fire Let's Stream last night and compared it to last night's stream. The difference is night and day in quality. Oh, nice. I'm going to have to have a look at that then.
Oh, why are we pushing up so far?
My spirit steadies.
Need audio production at church tomorrow.
I thought you were playing. What's this crap you're playing? I thought you were playing like a proper game.
Almost 10 hours ahead.
No, I'm not watching that. I'm not watching that crap. Does look cool though. Looks really, really, really cool. Right, what were we doing? If it was a Firelight, I might watch it. Right, okay, so let me find a read. All good. 2 things were fixed and confirmed passing. That was added. Do I need to push? Okay, so we're going to go back to here. Packaging, copy, overwrite, and then was there anything just now? Packaging, nope, that's it. Okay, so we need to freaking push for one file. Commit. Yeah, it was a stream last night. Yeah. But it was, I'm not a massive fan of Marvel Rivals, to be honest. But then I haven't really played it much. But as I keep saying, I like Pew Pew. And I like the Pew Pew to have good gunplay. You know? And I like the time to kill to be quite quick. It's not bad, King Clawblazer. The Zen browser is not bad. I like the fact I can do that really easy and keep it nice and clean. I don't like the fact that I can't make this dark mode without using a plugin, but then the plugin makes it all look weird. Right, okay, so we do need to go back and do this build. Where is it? So before we do that, we need to go back to here. We need to delete that build. And then we need to do draft a new release. And then we need to version 1.1.1 version bump for COPR. Tag is that tag. Publish release. Okay. So then we go back to here. That should all be right now. Yeah, nice. Nice build. Because it's not dry. Hey, JTech, welcome on in. Good to see you, dude. Oops. About there. How's your weekend going, JTech? Oh wait, has this run out? Oh, looks like my so that's broken. Oh, there you go. We're back again. Oops. Great, just got home from church, so got to do some yard work, then grilling some hot dogs and burgers because it's 90F or 36. Oh, wow. That's toasty. That's very toasty. It's quite a dry heat, isn't it, for you guys as well? It's all the ones. I need to learn these proper Git commands so I can do it all manually. I do quite like the tools. Any tips on making content? Yes, 100%. Start. Two key things. One is try and make stuff that you enjoy making. And two, I think is even more important, is try and make it so it adds values to others. If you can master those two things, then you should be good. That's on top of good quality mic, good quality video, that sort of stuff. That goes without saying, because if the quality's shit, then people are going to switch off. Good for you, Liff. Good for you. In my region, yes, we are at 5,400 feet above sea level, about 1.6 kilometre. So it's dry and the sun burns away. Ooh. Like Nike, just do it. Yep, like Nike indeed, just do it. And don't take the comments too seriously. Yeah, comments are fun. Remember, every comment that you get is engagement. And engagement's important. Right, okay, let's try this again, shall we? didn't just type that somewhere weird, did I? No, okay. Oh, hang on, nope. I need to go sudo dnf upgrade. How long did it take you to transition from Windows to Linux? A couple of weeks, really. I mean, I literally stopped using Windows. So I had no choice. JT, I'm working on my Power Profile app, which I think I've got now. No, I still haven't got it. It's still giving me the wrong freaking version. Ah, that's why. We've still got the old version in there. Wait, what? What version is showing in the about? Do you use a VM to run Windows apps or dual boot? No, I don't touch Windows at all now. I do have a Mac. I use a Mac for content creation. Well, I say content creation for editing and for Photoshop, but other than that, no, I'm all in on Linux now. Right, okay. So for some reason, it's showing an older version as installed. So where would that be? Let me ask Claude. For some reason, I still have version 1.0.0 installed. How to remove? I mean, what I could do, I can't remember installing it. That's the problem. Oh, okay, yeah, okay. Well, yeah, we'll remove this one. Yes. And then what we can do is we can use my other app and go LGL Power. Okay, so that's the no. So it's not actually installed. Ah. Oh, no such file or directory. Okay, cool. Because I like it. I've been using it for ages. Let me catch up with chat. Sorry, how long did it take you? Do you use a VM? No, don't use VMs. No more Windows once you move. They are trying to redeem themselves with Windows K2. Don't care. I really don't care. Life abstract. John says just quit Windows, cold turkey the best way. Yeah, that's how I did it. Why do you need to still? Oh yeah, I'll just answer someone. Like learning to swim, just jump in the pool, check if it's filled with water first. Yeah, that's a good idea. Same here. Use Pixel Meta instead. No, I really like Photoshop. Sorry. I kind of need AE. Unfortunately, it works only on Windows and Mac. Yeah, well, that in which case, yeah, dual boot is your option there, dude. Corvo. Just switched from Windows to Fedora 44. Your videos have been very helpful. Thank you. Thank you, dude. Appreciate it. That's awesome. Hello, Steve. Welcome on in. No, I really like Photoshop. I've no need to not use it. I mean, if I was to switch, I'd go to something like Canva. And then I'd probably end up paying for the AI part of it anyway, which works out to be about the same price as Photoshop. So, Spect, hello mate, how you doing? Welcome in, good to see you. Is that a Steam controller? Yes, it is. Steam controller. Let's go. How are you finding it, Corvo? What problems were you having in life? I might need to reboot. It may have been make install. User local. See make left mount. It can remove everything cleanly in one shot with. Don't think I want to do that. Okay, let's get rid of that build. Yes, okay. So now if I go LGL, it's still showing there, look. It's still showing as installed. What the hell? Oh, hang on. I know why. I'm such an idiot. I am such an idiot. Go into here. Home bin. It's there. Okay, that's fine. So then we go ls cd actually where's the desktop file? User share, is it user? No, hang on. cd user share applications ls. Let's catch up on chat, hang on. Loving it so far, got everything moved over, all accounts, password managers, etc. Nice. The sound never worked after I put my PC to sleep, no matter what I did. Okay, yeah, I never put my PC to sleep. It's either on or off. I know that doesn't help you at all, but so what are you working on? I'm working on the Power Profile Manager today. King Claw Blazer. Weird, for some reason I wasn't able to see anyone else's message in chat. Weird. I had some weird YouTube chat glitches before. They seem to fix themselves eventually. Yeah, it's been a bit flaky lately, is YouTube. The problem is I spent most of the time trying to fix problems instead of actually working. Main problem with Linux for me. Yeah, that is a problem. Hardware, software, if you can't get those things to line up, then yeah. YouTube quality dropping lately. Yesterday it took some time to get good stream upload. Today, yeah. Okay. Where else are .desktop kept? Use a local share. Okay, no, it's not in there. So it's cd dot local share applications ls. Yay, found it. rm LGL Power, and then we'll go type in LGL. Let's go. Now we should be able to do it. Yay! So now when I close that, it should be in here. Yay! We did it! Right, in which case what we're going to do now is we're going to go to here. Going to go to there, open it up, go do that, and then go. So we're now on PC2. So I need PC2 control. Fortunately, have a Nvidia GPU. Oh yeah, that's a bit of a nightmare. Anyway, so I've got to get ready for work. So we'll have see you all later. Take care, King Claw. Good to see you, dude. Thanks again, man. Appreciate you. Did I get rid of Kitty? Or does it come back up? I don't know if I've got Kitty back up, have I? If I bring up oh, that's YouTube chat, isn't it? Oh, right, that's YouTube chat. I don't want that one. Let's just do so that's my setup there. How's the quality looking? Should be right. Let me get rid of that background. Let's try a different color background. We'll go for that one. Oops, didn't mean to do that. I'm getting behind on the chat now, hang on. Problem I spent myself, yeah, read that bit. Yeah, read that bit. Smitty's Linux transition was basically flawless, and I know I'm thankful for it. What's your hardware? So, yeah, so I've got all AMD. Yeah, I wouldn't have switched over if I didn't have AMD, because I watched the LTT video and it was talking about SteamOS, and obviously at the time, and even now, SteamOS, you needed to have AMD hardware. Yeah, there's definitely extra steps that you need to take with the video stuff, for sure. Right, anyway, sudo dnf COPR you can't see that. Let me bring that up. Hang on. What I can do is I'll put that there like that, and then if I bring this up here and then just do that, and then do that, and if I do that and go like that, and then I can bring that to there, and then I can grab that, bring that down to here, and I can grab that, bring that over to here. Actually, we'll do that way around. So you can see everything that's going on, and I can see the chat. Hey Bence, how you doing? Good to see you, dude. Yes, everything you're seeing is Fedora. I hope Nvidia makes things better on Linux. I think they will eventually. Enable Linux Gamer Life / LGL Power Profile Manager. Go sudo dnf install LGL Power Profile Manager. Yes. Yes. Exit. And we'll go to here. LGL. Ah, see, that's working perfectly on this one. Hey, working perfectly. Let's go. LGL uses Fedora very riced. I suppose it kind of is. His rice is hot and spicy. Linux is the kernel. Hello, Velocity. Welcome on in. Good to see you. Yeah, I think that 70% jobby is difference in performance there is probably relating to Nvidia and the drivers. Yeah, it's probably it's definitely a Nvidia thing. Hi, I didn't get a notification like Steve, so no idea. I forgot to put it in the Discord as well, but this is the one that you can be sure of. The Sunday night one is the one you can be sure of. So that's working. That's working great. Oh, actually, has it put it to? So that's minimized. Yeah, excellent. All that's doing what it's supposed to. There's the icon. It's even color icon on that one. Oh, okay, that's cool. What we are going to do though, 'cause this is on my second PC by the way, So we're going to go into. Actually, no. What we're going to do is go Qt5. Go to K color scheme. XDG. Apply. Icon theme. Oh, this one I installed Cinnamon on first. Go Qt6. Oh, wait, on paper. What are they? Qt. 5. Icon feed. Right, so now that means when I open up that, it's the right color. Let's go. Ah, damn it. Ah, heck. Well, that's annoying. Right, let me catch up with chat. Hang on. It opens multiple versions. How do we stop that? Bring the chat back up. Where is it? Yeah, so here's the thing, Life Abstract. If you're willing to accept the fact that you're going to have to work a little bit harder to get Nvidia stuff up and running, and you may lose a little bit of performance, then go all in on Linux. If not, you're going to have to dual boot. Need to switch for the dark mode. It doesn't quite work like that, unfortunately, on my setup. It's optimized for gaming, so that's why maybe 3% faster and negligible. MD, I'm stuck. Can't find the LGL color picker. It's on the COPR. It is on my GitHub as well. It's just there. I don't believe it's much of a setup for Nvidia. What do you mean? There's more setup to Nvidia than there is to AMD. AMD just works. Am I missing any chat? The only difference from mine to yours is the CPU. Your CPU is X3D. Ah, okay, nice. Hi, Bents. One day I'll exchange my 7800 for a 9070. Done all that bit, done all that bit. That's all good. You're booting. We talked about that already. Thanks, Steve. Okay, brilliant. Always allow. Oh, stop. Forget the icon. I have fixed it. The version, the latest version allows you to open multiple copies. This is bad. Oh wow, thank you very much. Who done that? Eugene, thank you, dude. Appreciate you. That's so cool. Did it come up on the screen or anything? Thanks, man. Did I get like a pop-up or anything like that come up? Is it showing on the actual... Oh, it has gone up, isn't it? Eugene, awesome. Thank you for your support. Eugene, thanks, mate. I'll give it a try. Maybe it will work. I've been back and forth with Linux for a while now. Yeah, just keep trying until you get one that works, dude. Yeah, I did read Pika somewhere. Yeah, PikaOS is pretty good. That might work for you. But I think you're still going to have some issues. I think you're still going to have some issues because you're on Nvidia, and I don't think you can get around that too much. I mean, Don's on Nvidia now. I don't know how you've managed to... MD, don't do that. Nobody gives a shit about your ISO. Okay? They're not here for you, they're here for me. This is my stream. Don't expect to come into somebody's stream and get people to try your stuff. That's not what it's about, dude. I didn't see a pop-up, but it showed in chat. Nice. Pika is great with Nvidia. Oh, that's good then. Excellent. Cool. But how are you finding it with Fedora now, Don? Question for you, is it normal for a client to take a while to respond? I don't know, to be honest. I'm going to be completely honest with you. If they really wanted you, they would have called. So I don't know. I don't know, mate. Once you get the kernel module set up, it's pretty great. There you go. But I'd just move on, dude. And if they call back, then that's good. If not, then you're not going to be disappointed. Assume they're not coming back. So then if they do, you get a nice surprise. There you go. Do that. Right, okay, so update, has this introduced any I said Pika, as I know they use mods from Bazite and Cashy apart from their own ways. Nice. So very good with any kind of hardware. Huh, okay. Okay, update all relevant files, versions, etc. to reflect version 1.1.2. Zena said, hi LGL, can you link your playlist? I really like the background music. No worries, dude. Yeah, let me just see if I can remember how to do that. I think it's here, isn't it? And then go link, share playlist, copy link, and then we'll go to there. No, we're on this one, aren't we? Oh no, chill, just chill. I didn't need you to step in there, Steve. Thanks, mate. Fedora gets help from those devs on their kernel and other tools, so they work on Pika. And Steve, you did. You were exactly the same as MD when you first come into the chat. So don't give me that bullshit. You did exactly the same thing. But then again, you did make a dono, so there is that difference. Right, where are we? All done, all updated files. Right, okay, so we now need to do another push. So let's go back to here. Go to this one, Documents, GitHub, Power Profile. And we want packaging. Changelog, all that stuff needs to go up. 2016, how long ago was that? That's an hour ago. Copy here, apply to all, right into, apply to all, overwrite. Go back to here, version bump to prevent multiple copies. Opening. Commit to main. Push. We need to go back to here. Touche, I don't remember it. It's all a blur. Sorry. No worries, dude. It's all good. I'd call you out if you did it. Right, let's go back to here. Repositories, Power Profile Manager. Need to do another release. Need to do a new release. I think I must have turned off the autofill or something. Control C. Point 2. Fixed multi copies, I suppose it's copies. Opening. Select tag version 1.1.2. Create new tag. Create. Publish. Go to the COPR. Go new build. Oh, for God's sake. PACK packaging. Hang on. Wait, what? Dot spec. RPK jam build. Let's go. Right, let's catch up with chat. Can Nvidia Spark save Windows? Don't care. Windows has lost me, dude. I don't think there's anything they can do to make me go back. I think EA's got a chance of getting me back if they sort out anti-cheat for games like Apex Legends, and Activision for no, I don't know. Which one is it? EA. Yeah, so Battlefield. Is that EA? Yeah, that's EA, isn't it? It's not a hardware thing. It's they're doing. They are missing the. I don't think they are missing the users. There's still billions of Windows users out there, and probably 90% of them don't give a shit. And that's part of the problem, right? But we're making a dent, and unfortunately the dent went down a little bit, but it's all good. As long as the trend is upwards, then we're good. Yuki in the house. Hello, welcome on in. Good to see you, dude. How's it going? I'm so impatient. I'm spamming F5 here. Come on, finish! Hurry up! Finish! Succeed already! Succeed! I'm glad though. I need an OS to hate on. Hey Mark, how you doing? Good to see you, dude. Welcome back. How's it going this evening? What are you up to? Zeno, hello. Did I miss something there? Hey LGL, can you... Oh, I did. Yes. You got it. Cool, cool. I've been playing this, pretty much this same playlist now for as long as I've been streaming. And it's all still really good. Some really nice songs in there. Things are going well. Getting ready for a bike ride. Ooh. Tell us more. What kind of bike? I'm going to guess a pedal bike, bicycle. And I'm going to guess maybe mountain bike. And you're going off-road. That's my guess. Velocity, I use it at work, no other choice. I've never had an issue at home or work with it. I just prefer using Linux, don't hate it. I have it on my work laptop as well. Road bike, specialised. Oh, okay. Nice. Nice. Specialised Rubo. That's a nice bike actually. I've got a couple. I think I've got two specialised bikes. I've got a hybrid, which is a road bias hybrid with 23C wheels on them, and then I've got, or tyres anyway, and I've got a specialised road bike as well, and I've got a Ribble TT bike, but I haven't ridden any of them for years. Oh Don, thanks dude. Yeah, oh yeah, this thing here, isn't it? Should we do that? Did that come up then? Did it actually come up? It didn't come up, did it? Damn it. Yeah, I haven't ridden seriously since COVID. Oh, you're kidding me. Then would that one come up? Oh, I've broken it, man. That's not fair. Oh, well, that's annoying, isn't it? I must have, when I was messing about with it earlier, I must have mixed them all up. Join us. Oh, hang on. Let me just right click on that and go transform, reset, and then do it. ぜひご相談ください。コード以外も各種登録をお願いします。どなたでも大歓迎です。Kind of ruined it though, didn't I? Now I can laugh. Oh, I'm so glad Microsoft did not buy Valve, and I guarantee you, Gabe certainly would not be interested in selling Valve, and certainly not to Windows or Microsoft anyway. Did the same thing. BMX bike, nice. Eugene, I am at EU, so fast to check. Is there a meh button? Right, is it done? It succeeded. Let's go. Let's go to this one, and we're going to go. Okay, so now what we can do is go LGL. What version have we got? Version 1.12, nice. Then go LGL, and we're going to open up another one. And then we're going to close that one. Still let me open up two. Quit. Quit. I think one was already open, was it? Let's have a look. Okay, cool, that's worked. It's because we already have one open. So we need to update it on the other machine, don't we? And here. Crash time? Just talking about crash time. Right, so we're going to go... Oh, hang on, it's not going to work, is it? Because we're not on... So we're going to go sudo dnf upgrade -- refresh. Some serious computing when you have two keyboards going. I know, right? What version we got here? We have got version 1.12. Nice. Close that. Go to there. We got version there. That one's nice and colour. That's got colour in it. Look, can you see that? I think you can see that, can you? What if I do that? You can't see the top of the screen, can you? Oh, there you go. Now you can see it. So we've got to here, look. See, it's like colourful. If I try and open up another one, it won't let me because it's already open. Excellent. Nice. Next step, a KVM setting. What do you mean? Why would I want to do that? Okay, we're good. We're good. Everything. So we've done it. We've done that one. Let's go. We did one. Oh, I can delete that build now, can't I? Delete that one. Excellent. So we close that. Oh, I didn't want to do that, did I? Yeah, no, I don't want to do that. Why would I do that? Why would I do that? I've actually got a USB hub that I use for this keyboard and this mouse. This keyboard and this mouse to go to my main PC, my second PC, my Mac, and my laptop, my work laptop, and I can switch between those four. But as for the video part, no, I don't want to do that because you just lose quality. I've got a second monitor there, so that's for the second PC. So I've got like a second PC all set up separately, and I quite like that. Now, if I wanted to, I could remote onto this with RDP and do that, and then use this, do it all from here. But then I want a game on that, and then it gets a bit weird because gaming over a remote desktop just doesn't happen. So I'll keep it all separately. I'm going to have a keyboard and mouse set up for this anyway, so I might as well just keep it separate, you know. Makes sense in my head. Cancel. What are we doing? Oh yeah, we want to go exit the dev environment. That works really, really well, Don. I can't recommend that enough, dude. Separate partition for all of the dev stuff. Install all of the dev tools in a Distrobox. Do all of the building inside that Distrobox and keep the rest of your system nice and clean. Can't recommend it enough. Thank you very much, J-Tech, for that. Right, what else did we have on the thumbnail? Oh, I've lost the thumbnail. We need to save that anyway. Go file, go into their file, save, close that. Spin the wheel. Should we spin the wheel?
Spin the wheel, hold your breath, lock decides what distro's next.
Okay, let's do it. I don't know if I've got it all set up though, have I? I can delete that one now, can't I? You know it. I don't know if have I still got the spin the wheel thing though. Hang on, let's just move you over there. Move you to there. Grab you, pop you there like that. I'm just going to open up you. We're going to pop you. No, we're going to move you there. We're going to move you there. We're going to move you there. We're going to go spin the wheel. Damn it. Pretty sure distro list, there we go. What distros are those? Never seen. Which ones? Oh, I see, right, yeah. Hardened BSD, no! That's not Linux. Sorry, it's not Linux. I'm saving BSD for another day. Sorry if you're watching Moji. Refractor. Sounds like a tractor. Did we see this one before? We've done this one already, haven't we? Yes, we've done this one already. Pop that over there out of the way. We've done it before. We did. Hello, Underlord. How you doing? Remove. Oh, okay. Extrox. We'll do that one. Extrox OS. An MX Linux based distro. DistroWatch. Is it still? It's active. It's based on Arch, Debian, MX. Japan. Mark, I haven't yet, but it is on my list of videos to do. The closest one would probably be which one would it be? Fed Niri knock. So it'd probably be go to there. Go to videos. Upgrade or build. I replace probably that one here. Oh no, maybe not. Oh, did I not do one then? Oh, it's this one. That's the closest one so far. In the last video, add that to your watch list. I talk about Fedora 44 build. Do the backup nearer the so it's from here. Build on the SN. So we're currently on a test build on the SN. The backup just yet. Just double check. We've got BTR. So it shows you. I go through the install. Then we're going to modify this environment. I'm sure new. Yeah, that's probably the closest, but I am going to do another one with my current setup. Wait, so we're just going to open. Oh, hang on.
In the comments section with LGL.
Got to have a look at that comment, haven't we? New tab. What we got here, Frizzing Discs says, I actually came from the corporate Unix server world. So when I started on Linux, I read books and magazine articles to learn. For me, it was transfer of knowledge and learn by doing. Nice. That's what kind of Linux learner you are. Nice. Right, we were looking at this one, weren't we? Download. Download. Nope, SourceForge, abort. We have a rule. No SourceForge. Takes too long. Did I just kill the stream? Have I just killed the stream? Yes, we are dead. Oops. Still streaming? Wait, make mind up. Are you sure? I'm still here, yeah? Yep, I'm still here. Okay, we're good. We're good. You can hear me, yeah? Press the wrong button. I'm not used to the Zen yet. What am I doing? What am I doing? Epidemic. No, we're not doing that because that would screw things up again. So we're going to go new tab, epidemic sound. Hey Blue, how Bluesy, how you doing? So we'll do that. We should be back. Spin the wheel. Okay, so this one needs to go up. There we go. Oh no, we've already got the spin. We've already got it. If I close this, is it all going to stop again? No. Okay, good. Noise velocity. Now it stopped. Wait, what? Right. Take care, Velocity. Good to see you, dude. Camera on keyboard live. That's good. So we're good now. Right, excellent. Nemesis. Nemesis. I just stopped that again. What the hell? We're still streaming though, right? Video working. New tab. Epidemic sounds. We're good. Excellent. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Playlists. I'll grab that one. I'm just going to scroll down to about there. Oh, we've just had this one. Yeah, maybe it's a sign not to get that distro. I know, right? Right. Okay. Try again. What's that hand tapping? Oh, we can get rid of that one. Right. Bye. Yep. Okay. Good. Issue. That's fine. Open up new tab. We're going to go Nemesis OS DistroWatch. Arch Linux. Unknown origin. active. Nemesis Linux is a set of lightweight, minimalist live Linux distributions inspired by Slackware-based Ortius project, but based on Arctic Linux instead. It uses Pacman Package Manager, OpenRC in it. Not interested. It's a live one. We're not going to do live. We want to actually install. So next. We will get one tonight. Next. Powdo. BSD keeps coming up, doesn't it? Let's go search Powdo. Independent. Data rescue. Powdo is a hybrid source and binary UPKG driven Linux distribution. Another live CD. We don't want live CDs. Sounds good though. You watch, it'll be another one, another BSD one now. You watch. Circle. China. Circle Linux is an enterprise Linux distribution based on CentOS and Red Hat Enterprise. The project's focus is to create a robust open source ecosystem around the Linux platform, including an enterprise grade production ready Linux. Yeah, I'm not sure about that one. Next. Shut up, Smitty. I mean, I haven't tried Ubuntu Budgie. Go away, BSD. It's to pick a random distro for me to try, but I have some like limits. Basically, I get to choose whether I do them or not. There's 404, or there was 404 different distros on DistroWatch. So this is just a way to explore them. I should be playing the music. Black Box. Black Box. Debian. Ubuntu. Italy. Data rescue. Forensic security. Live. No. Okay. Remove. Gotta go to bed soon. Pen 2. Is that like Gen 2? But with pens. Gen 2. Live. Another live one. Damn it. What is it with all the live ones? NYArch. I've heard of this one. I've never tried it though. Okay, we're doing that one. Most, yeah, absolutely will be, won't they? $4.5 gig. Oh boy, chat, here we go. 4.5 gig of cats. Distros, there we go. Pop you in there, move there. Nice, close it up. We're going to go take you and we're going to go all the way down to the bottom here, bring you to here, and then we're going to go new, forward, we're going to go browse, and we're going to browse local, and we're going to go over to other locations, computer, mount, 4 terabyte distros. And then we're going to go add to bookmarks, distros, modified. Where is it? Oh, did I move distros? I moved distros, didn't I? Remove. Add to bookmarks. There we go. So it's Arch, isn't it? Arch. Forward, we're going to go 8192. We're going to go 30. NYARCH. Customize. We want to go to video. Apply. Display splice. None. OpenGL. Apply. Begin. Oh, okay. It's like that, is it? I'm halfway here, constantly restarting my WM and trying to hunt bugs. All right, all right, all right. We don't want that one. Where is it? British English. There we go. Next. London. Next. US keyboard. Next. Erase disk. Next. LGL. NYArch. Next. Next. Install. $26.04. Okay. Telegram channel, Discord server. Let's see the NYArch waifu. It's safe, right? It's taking its time, isn't it? I thought Arch was supposed to be quick. Underlord, it's for some reason it howled your message. Should be. I watched some videos on it when I was hopping. Ah, okay. NYArch assistant is more than just a digital assistant. She's your cute, quirky companion, ready to help with any. Oh boy, what have I got myself into? An Arch distro tinkered in Asia. Anything can happen. Yeah. Teenage Cortana. AI in Arch. Is that what we're talking about here? Waifu desktop assistant. I'll let that load up. We never got to do Niri, but we'll do that next week. I've got some updates to do on that. What are the fixes I need to do on Niri? Oh, we could try Arch Niri. Got some issues to fix. Which ones have we got? We've got 3 issues to fix on Niri. The users directory, mission NWG look app, and oh, we can't do anything about that one. Not going to fix that one. How does that look on the screen? Don't forget to hit that like button if you haven't already. Really appreciate it if you did. We're not even halfway yet, are we? If it don't say NYArch at the start, I'll be disappointed. Oh, all done. That's pretty cool. Choose any waifu as your wallpaper. Oh boy. It's very KDE, isn't it? Did I just change the theming and everything? Oh, that's quite neat. That's cool. I like that. Catgirl downloader. Getting random pictures of cute cat. Oh God. Guys, what have you got me into? Watch anime. Discover. Software to get you started. I use NYArch, by the way. NYArch scripts. Keep your system up to date. We better do that, haven't we? Glad you're taking one for the team here. Update. It's the craziest distro. hello there. Hey, Genpie, how you doing? Welcome on in. Good to see you. Have some of those. Just for you. I still need to fix that because the actual fireworks don't last as long as the audio. Cat girls and fireworks, I know, right? Stupid spin the wheel. Did I remove it though? Remove that one now, can't I? Yes. Crazy stream. Reminds me a lot of Azure Lane. Don't know what that one is. I thought Arch was supposed to be quick. Embrace the cat girl within you. Oh dear. Are we there yet? Lots of warnings. My Arch is faster than your Arch. No updates available. Okay, cool. Cool. What's next? NYArch Assistant. We've got to have a look, haven't we? Okay. Hi.
Hi there. Blush, it's not like I was waiting for you to say something or anything. How can I help you today? Need help with your Arch Linux setup or just want to chat? I'm here either way, not because I care or anything.
Best distro. I know, right, Don?
Oh, please, you're asking that question? You already know the answer. Okay, best is totally subjective and depends on what you need. Here's my totally unbiased breakdown. The best distros by category, but let's be real, it's Arch Linux. Blush, why? Because AR, almost any software you can imagine rolling release. Always up-to-date DIY. You install only what you need ArchWiki. The best Linux documentation, high voltage performance. No bloat. Just what you chose, it's not like I'm biased or anything. I just happen to be right. What are you currently using?
That's funny.
Oh, you're using Fedora? That's actually not bad, I guess. Blush, Fedora is genuinely a solid choice. Red Hat backed, cutting edge packages, great for developers, and the KD spin is pretty slick too. No shame in that. But since you're on Arch Linux right now.
Bored now. What we're going to do though is we're going to go. I can right click on the desktop, can't I? I forgot about that. Forgot that's a thing you can do. Let's go that one. There we go. Keep. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Dolphin. I'm going to press F4. Got it, there it is, found it. Too used to Niri, I know, right? We're going to go git clone Linux, git, nope, https github, oh my god, github.com / Linux gamer life / LGL Arch Niri Noc CD LGL Arch Niri Noc ch mod plus x dot, is it install? No, install? Yeah. And then no. I've not tested this for freaking ages, so I've got no idea if it's going to work or not, but we're going to try. Well, it's installed in Noctalia, so that's working still. Crash reporter. So what's it building? It's building Noctalia. LGL is going to be a NYArch user. No, I'm not. No, I'm not, Yuki. Not at all. Cute little wallpaper. Oh my god. That is not. That is quite cool. Actually, if I do this. What? You didn't like it? No? You might have to try this distro. Yeah. Are you going to do a video on KDE without the KDE? Working. I'm looking forward to that one, dude. It would improve Don's waifu game. Looks like we might have a problem here. Oh no, it doesn't look like, is that an error? It looks like it's an error. Yeah. See, this is, oh yeah, NYArch assistant, there we go. Hold on there, Don. Hold on, nobody answer. What is a waifu?
Why are you asking me about that? It's not like it's a big deal or anything. Blush, okay fine, I'll explain it since you asked. Waifu. It's a Japanese loanword from the English word wife, but it's used in anime/manga culture to refer to a fictional female character from an anime, manga, or video game that someone is particularly fond of. Fans often call them there. Waifu, as a term of endearment, it's part of the broader otaku culture alongside husbando for male characters. Examples of popular waifus: Hollow from Rem from Asuka from 02 from related terms. Waifu wife equivalent husbando husband. Equivalent ashi your favorite /ashi character. This is more of a VTuber/idol culture term. It's used both genuinely by people who really love a character and jokingly/meme-wise across the anime community. Why do you ask though? Are you looking for a waifu?
Yeah.
And not that
Yeah,
it
Don.
matters to me
Yeah,
or
Don.
anything. I'm just curious.
Asking for a friend.
All right, a friend. Sure they are. You know what they say, asking for a friend is just asking for myself with extra steps. And not that I would know anything about that, and it's definitely not like I would do something similar. Blush, tell your friend that picking a waifu is a serious commitment. You don't just one white heavy check mark they pick you. That's how it works. And once you choose, there's no going back. Also tell your friend that I think they have good taste, since they're talking to me after all.
There you go. Don?
Jay, just tell them that. Don't read into it or anything. Anyway, was there anything Arch Linux related you needed help with? Not that I'm trying to redirect the conversation or anything. I just have a job to do.
Want to reboot now? No. What we do want to do though is go QS, is it? Just quick show. Is it Noctalia shell? Oh, maybe. Can you just install the app on any distro? I don't know. Yeah, probably. I don't know if you can actually. It's probably on the GitHub. Keep that assistant program for when we need some comic relief. Yeah. It's quite a neat distro, not gonna lie. Oh, hang on. Hey. That login screen is pretty cool, isn't it? Oh my god. Oh my god. Niri messages outputs. Let me just quickly fix this, then we'll go back in and have a look. Bear with. There we go. This has some stuff I wish I could slap on cache. I'm not a smart man though. Install on a VM, then ask assistant to migrate. Yeah. Did you guys see that Noctua is coming out with a mouse? Oh, are they? And a case. Ah. Hope I'll get one. They'll probably sell out. Thing is, it doesn't look like thingy anymore, does it? What if we go into wallpapers? Where would the wallpapers be, do you think? We'll go dolphin. And then we'll go dock. Yeah, it's not put a menu in there anywhere, are they? No, I've kind of ruined it a bit, haven't I? Let me just exit out. Yuki says, if I remember correctly, NYArch also has a bit of a delayed updates, which is no bad thing. Hey, Ghost Haunted, how you doing? Welcome on in. Written from Fedora Silverblue. Nice. If we go into Discover, before we do that, let's go. Oh, wait, what? LGL, what's the best distro for gaming? The one that works best with your setup. If you said, LGL, what's the best distro for you? You know the answer. Okay, so that's not good. Global theme. Pretty dark. Let's do all of it. Apply. Ask the AI assistant. Maybe watch it now. Well, I can't get it to go to dark mode. I can't even turn on dark mode right now. Doesn't seem to be changing it. Did you want to break it? Yeah, I broke it. Of course I did. It's Arch. What did you expect? I can fix it. I can fix it. Don't worry. I can fix it. There we go. Wait, what's that one? No, didn't fix it. I got dark mode. Hello, hello. How you doing? Uncheck the switch at night. How you doing? Hello. Anyway, nice to meet you. Yeah, I think my install of Niri Noctalia is probably screwed up. So I could get new. We'll do. I'm running Manjaro. Nice. Well, come on in. Error occurred. Of course it did. Yep, okay. Of course it did. Graphite dart. Let's do that one. Okay, we're not doing that one either. Or that one. Yeah. Oh, come on. You got to let us install something. Getting a status code of 429. Ah, screw it. Ask the assistant. No, I can't be asked now. Right, where were we? Close that one off. Delete. Got time for one more, do you think? Let's try one more. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's because I installed Niri Noctalia. Oh, that's gone now, isn't it? Thanks at that. Emabuntus. Emabuntus. Got to have a look at that one, haven't we? And we're going to check out DistroWatch. So many slop. Yours is slop, isn't it? It's all made with AI. What do you want about, dude? Yours at least looks pretty. So how old is this one? This is from France. It's Debian stable. Emabuntus. Translate. But you saying that NYArch was badly made? No, we're not doing that one. It's remove that one. Yep, next. Endeavour. I've not actually tried Endeavour. I had it installed on a USB once. Endeavour. It's ARM. They've got an ARM install. Nice. EndeavourOS is sister to Zero. What the fuck do you mean, dude? Endeavour's been around a lot longer than Zero. Right, South Africa. Download. How are we doing? Yeah, we'll be fine. We can get one more in. One more in. You're saying that you helped create EndeavourOS? Is that what you're saying? Hey TJ, how you doing? Welcome on in. Just stopping by to say hi. Thank you. Community. Okay, they're on Twitter. That's good. Info. About us. Okay. So it's been around since 23rd of June 2009. Cool. Oh, we could try this on the Mac. With fixes for Nvidia. Nice. See, that's how you do it. Have a donate page. Nearly there. After launch on 9 installer, community member Pudge challenged himself to get EndeavourOS working at ARM. That's nice. Notable releases. Not much more on there, is there? News. How many people make up it then? So you've got Brian PWO. Huh. Right, that's done. Next. No, we need to go into here first. Open. Drop you into distros. Done. We're going to go forward, browse local, distros, Endeavour, Arch, forward, 8192. Let's do 30. EndeavourOS, is that right? It's now all GPUs. Yeah, I already tested Zero Linux. And I broke it as well, didn't I? I was pissed about with, I think I wanted to get Cinnamon installed, wasn't it? I removed KDE and installed Cinnamon. That was fun. Very painful to Zero Linux though. What is thinking about it? There we go. These distros do make me laugh. I'm not going to lie. Oh shit! Didn't want to do that, did I? Let's go with. Oh, hang on. I haven't made the wheel yet. No, I didn't do. I haven't made the wheel, and I don't want to make. Oh, I know what to do. 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 If we go into here, go into there, and just move that over to there. Wheel. No. Spin. Then we're going to go to here, going to go to there, going to go how do you do a new like huh? New private one. How do you do a new private one? How do you do a new private tab in Zen? New private tab in Zen. Control-Shift-P. Incognito. Oh, there we go. So we go spin the wheel. Eject. Them in there. Do that. I don't think we got sway, have we? We didn't have sway as an option, did we? No. Thank you so much for the sub, whoever that was. Oh, boring. Oh. Oh, I've lost chat now. I think we've lost everyone now, have we? Set up Pac-Man and configure mirrors. That's the one I wanted. There we go. Keep. Oops. I keep pressing the super key to drag this stuff. I think you need to work to get it on there, dude. You need to sort it out with the dude. It's the predominant place that people go to look at distros. And the fact if you're not on there, then that's not a good thing. So the last updated April. Okay. Yeah, we've had this conversation already, and I told you, you've got to go and sort it out with them. And then you said, oh, I've tried. Right, so I can close that now. That's done. Close that. Close that. How are we doing over here? That's still on, so I can shut that down. Shut that down, perfect. We can close that off. And then we can close that off. Close that off. Where are we? Over there. Bedtime for me. See you later. Thanks for the fun today. No worries, Eugene. Take care. Sleep well, dude. Appreciate you. I used Endeavour on my uni laptop for 3 years before switching to Nix. It's rock solid. Nice. Restart now. Okay. Oh, it's GNOME, isn't it? Welcome again. Okay. Pacman database needs updating. Come on, update database now. Right, let me just do that. Is there anything on there that's like specific to EndeavourOS, or is it just Arch on GNOME? That's the only thing that looks like. It's just Arch with pre-configured desktops. Is it really? Use the i3 spin. Okay. So update mirrors, clean up, change display manager. Okay. Why would you do that? Why would you need that? Yeah, okay, that makes sense. But so there. I'm just going to say it. Another over-engineered Arch distro that nobody needs. Sorry, did I just say that out loud? Choose one of the Endeavour wallpapers. No picture. Choose, download more Endeavour wallpapers. Pack different mail. No information. Application categories. Browse all AUR packages. Browse all Arch packages. Tips. Okay. Choose popular apps to install. It was great some years ago when it didn't have any tools, just base Arch pre-configured desktop. Okay. I don't know what's happening to me, but I'm like... The more I see these different like over-engineered distros, the more I'm not impressed. Am I what's happening to me, guys? I should stop doing these spin the wheels, you know. Maybe I should ban it.
Spin the wheel. Hold your breath. Luck decides what distro's next.
Zero Linux, well, snoring time for me, boys. Great stream as usual, Gel. Juices. Take care, dudes. Sleep well, man. Thanks for hanging out. Appreciate you. I'm about done now anyway, I think. Do that. Do that. Power off. Boom. You have seen the end. You don't like the bloat, this bloat anymore. I think you're probably right now. Smitty says your wow factor has increased and you call out BS when you see it. Yeah, I don't think there's any doubt in that, is there? I mean, if I was forced to choose an Arch distro from this evening's escapades, I would totally choose the NYArch one. Because it was fun. It was fun. It was different, you know. There was actual things to look at. Things to play around with. Now I do understand, don't get me wrong, I'm not being, well, I'm being an arse about it, but I do understand that these distros are there to help people get started on these things, and if it's a choice between Arch, raw Arch, and Endeavour, then I would probably recommend Endeavour to somebody who's just starting out, because it's going to help them on the journey, right? It's going to help them to get into Linux, and that's great. But it all just felt a little bit over-engineered. And I say the same thing about CacheOS, and I think CacheOS is a fantastic distro, right? Again, for helping people to get into Linux, CacheOS is great. Endeavour is great. But I just hope that once people get into it, they find their feet and then decide what to do from there. And if it's a case of Smitty, prime example, found CacheOS, loves CacheOS, probably not going to be going anywhere because CacheOS is working for him, and that's awesome. But I think I'm just starting to see a lot of the differences, but also a lot of the similarities in the various different distros. I'm going to continue with this spin the wheel, definitely, because we found a good one tonight. NYArch was fun. It was really fun. Totally not my cup of tea, and it's not a distro I would ever use, but it was fun nonetheless. But anyway, don't forget to do that. It's this one down it. This one just here, look. Yeah. Okay. Right, if I do that, is it going to do what I think it is? It is. Right. Let's have a look at our top fans today. Oh my god, Eugene, who's gone to bed. Dude. In 5th place, we have the Black Dawn. In 4th place, we have Yuki. In 3rd place, we have Underlord. In 2nd place, we have Smitty Fiddy. And in 1st place, we have Sleepyhead Eugene Macia. It's freaking awesome. Thank you, everybody, for hanging out this evening. It's been an absolute blast. I will be back next weekend. Probably be hanging out on Don's stream throughout the week, maybe. Make sure that you follow the Black Don, or subscribe to the Black Don. We'll be playing some games, I expect, in the week, if he lets me. And yeah. Is it that one there? Do I press that one? Yeah, that one there. I'm lost at the moment. Oh, there we go. I found it. Didn't even rank. Oh no, that's crazy. I still don't know how it works. I mean, I know there's pay to win, but I don't think anyone did pay to win tonight. You came in 5th. You came in 6th though, dude. You came 6th. That's top 10. Still top 10, man. It's all good. But anyway, as always, thank you so much for watching. You guys take care, and I'll catch you in the next one.